Hello everybody, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you guys are enjoying everything. Thank you for always coming to support me on my channel. If you are looking for information what happened in Italy about whatever, everything that happened in Italy, like bonus information about document, even if you information about how to get your Nigeria passport here in Italy, whenever you want to do wedding, you want how to get your Nula or star, etc. Anything concern things that happen in Italy, anything about immigrant information and all those things, just check my YouTube channel. There you will get all the information that you need to know. You understand? But if you are looking for a partner, I have my Facebook page. I will be dropping the name. You go to my Facebook page. That is where I do my dating and marriage, where because there are a lot of men and women, a lot of girls and boys, they feel that there is no love out there because of their past experience and all those things. That is where I come in. I try to bring the man and the woman together. I will be in the middle. I will follow them on the process until they get their balance, to know that there is always a second chance in everybody's life. Every one of us, we have second chance in life. We understand there is nobody that will just do something once, it will just be condemned to death. There is always a second chance. That is the reason we are still living by grace. That is the reason God has not destroyed this earth, because He's giving us grace to repent, to change. You understand? Because when God drove the devil, He said He's not going down alone, because you know that loneliness will kill Him. You understand? That is the reason He's looking for every means to drag people to Himself. That is how we too, as a human being, we have a second chance. So that is where I come in, bringing both of them together to make them to understand that because A did something wrong to you does not mean that everybody are equal. They are still good people. It's just for you to be able to cool down, to understand your mistake from the previous relationship and know how to go about it so that you will not make that mistake again. You understand? There is love, only that is for you to find the right person that will love you the way you are and everything. You understand? So thank you very much. Whenever you are interested on my dating and marriage program, just check me out on my Facebook page. It's called We Are Esan. We Are Esan. You understand? Not that we are only speaking Esan in that page. I speak English, you understand? But I just want to promote my place and all those things. That is why I give him that name of the page. You understand? You can check it. But the good thing I bring to you guys is about work opportunity. There is job opportunity. You understand? You know, some countries are still contemplating if they are going to lock down and all those things. You understand? So this company, I will be putting some video to show you what they do and everything in the company, what you are going there to do, the kind of work you are going there to do. You understand? So they don't know if they will still lock down. Even Italy, where I stay, they are still contemplating if they are going to lock down, because the thing, this COVID-19 is still going up. You understand? It's not reducing. Everybody are just careless, doing anyhow, thinking there's nothing like it. The thing is real. It's just for us to be more conscious whatever we do. You understand? So this company is a meat company where they do meat that we eat. You understand? I'll put the video. You will see how they process it and everything. So that is where they need 50 people urgently to come and work. I said, let me bring it to you guys, because the agent contacted me to do the video so that you guys can see it, because he knows that I always carry my people along on my channel. My channel is based on information, what will help my brothers and sisters in diaspora, not only by hearing information about people, you laugh, you do this, no, what next? But I said I will bring it to you guys. So if you know that you are really ready, you are serious, you are living in Italy, you are looking for a job, you have not gotten anyone, maybe sometimes it might be because of language barrier and all those things. This is a great opportunity I'm bringing to you guys. Will this company need about 50 people who is ready to work? Even though you are a man or a woman, You know, in Europe, there is no work for man or woman. Everybody are equal. The work that the men do in Europe, women can also do it, because there are some women, they are very strong like men. If you know that you are looking for a job desperately and you really want to work, you understand, just contact me. There will be number for me to give you the email address where you can send your document. If you are living in Italy, you have permit of stay as from 1 year, not 6 months, as from 1 year permit of stay, and your passport. You need it too. If you are really serious, you really want to work, you will contact me. I will be dropping my number on the description of the video, where you can call me. I will give you the agent email address where you will send your document and your passport to the email. You scan it and send it to them. They will call you because it's just an urgent something. They need people because they don't know if they will be shutting down. So they need people that will be working during that period. So if you are interested, it's just for you to contact me. I will give you, because I cannot drop the agent email address rampantly on the video, which everybody can go there and go and be sending this thing. No, you have to contact me. I will be the one to send the email address to you. You understand? Please, if you see this video and you have your work that you are doing, you are not interested, you must have a brother, a friend, a sister, anybody around you. Even though they are not around you, they are just your friend, people that you know they are looking for a job. You can easily share the video and send the information to them. Information is power. That is the most important thing about social media, is to share information. People that live in America, UK, whatever, anywhere all over the world, they can see whatever you are doing. You understand? So share it to your friends, anybody. Even though, as Italo will say, nemica, even though they are your enemy, send the video to them. You have saved a soul, because the person might be thinking, I don't have job, I don't have this, and I have document. What will be the next? The video might just save a life. The person might be contemplating what to do next to harm himself. By sending this video to that person, it will give the person another second chance to know that, maybe let me try this job. You know, the person have changed his mind of thinking to harm himself. You will know that there's still another hope. There is always light after the tunnel. You understand? You have saved a life by sending that video to that person, to know that there is job opportunity. So it's for minded people that is really serious, that know what they came to do in Europe, that really serious, that is looking for job desperately. Just contact me. I will link you to this job. You go there and work and earn your salary. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? The most important thing is for you to have where you are going every morning. Month ending, you smile. That is the reason we are working. The reason why we work is to be able to provide for ourselves, to live a good life. You understand? To be able to provide for our family, our children, our wife, and all those things. That is the reason that we work. You understand? So if you are interested, you are living in Italy, you have permit of stay, you have your national passport and all those things. It doesn't really matter you must come from Nigeria. No. Even though you are a Ghanaian, you are a Gambia, Africa, as long you are living in Italy, you have permit of stay and your passport, your country passport, you are welcome to apply for the job. It doesn't really matter, it's for only Nigeria. As long you are in Africa, you have documents, you have passport, you are entitled to get a job. My channel is for everybody, it's for all Africa. We are all one. You understand? So if you are interested, check the description of the video. You will see the number to contact me. I will drop my number. Please don't call me for any other thing except you are looking for the job. But if you are looking for a woman, come to my Facebook page. You understand? Why my YouTube is where you get information. You understand? So please check the description. You will see the information, how to go about the job. You understand? As I said before, the thing you need is just your passport, your permit of stay. As from 1 year, 6 months, no. As from 1 year to be able to qualify for the job. That is all what you need. Your permit of stay, your passport, and your energy. The energy you use and work. And make sure that you are a very serious person. You are not going there to go and bring as in to spoil our name and all those things, including me that is passing the information to you, because It's the agent that contacted me to do this video so that people can be able to know that there is this kind of job. If you know that you are really serious, you need job desperately, contact me. I will give you the email where you scan your document to. You understand? When you scan your document to them, immediately they will give you working visa. You understand? It's not where you just go. They will give you working visa. That is, they permit you to come and work there. You understand? So it's a very genuine something. So if you are interested, you see this video, you are not interested, you got a job already, you saw this video, just pass it to your friends, share it so that it could get to another people. Don't only call people when you have they no say this woman go and sleep with another man and all those things. Also share good news that will help people. You understand? Thank you very much for watching. If this is your first time seeing this face, please don't forget to turn on your notification button and also subscribe. It will take anything. It doesn't cost anything. Even a drop of your blood does not cost to subscribe. Please, thank you very much and God bless you. Till we meet again.
Panie Henryku, to jak powstaje kabanos? Liczy się jakość, a ta w dużej mierze zależy od jakości w produkcji kabanosów od 25 lat i jest liderem na polskim rynku. Miesięcznie produkuje się aż 5 milionów sztuk. Jednak oprócz ilości liczy się jakość, a ta w dużej mierze zależy od jakości surowca. Zarówno kabanosy wieprzowe, jak i drobiowe powstają ze specjalnie wyselekcjonowanych elementów mięsa najwyższej jakości. Pan Mariusz zajmuje się nadzorem produkcji. Maryżanowe i poporcjowane mięso, ale według jakiegoś klucza? Gdzie to? Gdzie jest to?
Tak, mamy za sobą dwa składniki. Mięso chude oraz mięso tłuste. To mięso jest wyselekcjonowane na rozbiorze. Ono jest mieszane w odpowiednich proporcjach. Następnie ważone, przekazywane do kolejnych etapów.
Taśmociągiem mięso transportowane jest do hali, gdzie przygotowywany jest farsz. Pan Henryk zajmuje się jego przygotowaniem. Panie Henryku, to jak powstaje kabanos?
Jak powstaje
There's a fire below us. There's a fire below you. But there's a star above us that you could never see. Run away so fast. Run away, you can't even look back. You carved out your name in my arms. Run away so fast. Run away, you can't even turn back. Carved out your name. Can't even move.